Introduction to HTML.
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create and design web pages. Every website you visit relies on HTML to show text, images, links, and structure. Think of HTML as the building blocks that shape what you see and interact with on the internet.
The purpose of HTML.
The main purpose of HTML is to organize and present content on the web. It tells web browsers how to display headings, paragraphs, lists, images, and links. Without HTML, web pages would have no structure, just plain text with no form or function. HTML gives meaning and layout to the information on every website.
How HTML works.
HTML uses special codes called tags. Tags are placed around pieces of content to indicate what their role is, like a title, a paragraph, or a link. For example, the tag for a paragraph is shown as P. Browsers read these tags to display the page correctly so users can easily read and navigate.
Why HTML is essential.
Every website, no matter how simple or advanced, uses HTML at its core. Even sites built with fancy tools or frameworks depend on HTML to show content. Learning HTML is a key first step for anyone interested in web development because it's the foundation that all other web technologies build upon.
Getting started with HTML.
You don't need any special software to start learning HTML. Simple text editors and a web browser are enough to write your first web page. As you practice, you'll discover how HTML works with other technologies like CSS for design and JavaScript for interactivity, making websites come alive.